Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I've just been having issues with my camera, and then you get lazy and then you just forget about it. But I will be trying to come back on here. So for today's video, I am installing this little wig from Yolissa hair. I'm basically just clipping in this half wig. It's called a headband wig, but it's pretty much like a half wig. So pretty much it's the same like texture and style as like a regular lace front wig, except you don't have the lace in the front. So this is my edges and like my baby hair and everything, and the headband I just put on the headband, but the wig in the back comes with the headband, if that makes sense. So you basically just clip it onto your hair and it looks like you put a headband on and push your own hair back, and this is all yours. It's so easy. I'll be showing you guys how I did it. The texture is very like realistic and it's super similar to my hair, and you guys can find any texture that works with you. So everything is linked in the description down below if you guys want to purchase this hair. I do recommend it. And the good thing about this is that if you don't like this headband, you can wear it with whatever headband you want. Like the one that it comes with is just a black one, and then you can put on your own headbands or anything on top. And then it's also really versatile. Like I can just leave it back, or if I wanted, I could do like a ponytail thing, or you could like, I've seen people do a half up style with it as well. So you could do anything you want with this. Let's just get right into the video. So here is the wig. I'll just get it out. So it says that it's 150 density. It's pretty thick. I should have probably not worn black, but here it is. It's a lot. And then it's 24 inches. And how it looks is, it basically looks like a regular wig but without the lace part. So here's the inside. There's 3 clips at the top and 2 at the bottom, so you can just clip it into your hair and then it'll stay secured. And then it comes with like a black headband already sewn in, you can see that. And then at the back of it you just like velcro it together, and that's pretty much the wig. So easy. I haven't like done anything to the curls. I kind of like just touched it and it's puffed up like this, but I'll wet it soon. Okay, so I'm just gonna unclip all the clips. I should have probably brought a mirror, but I'm just going off of my little monitor, and I'm gonna clip it in right here, not too far back. I think that's good, yeah. And clip this one as well. So it's like how you put in clip-in extensions. You don't even have to clip it if you don't want to, but I just want that security. And the last one. Okay, those are in. And I just put my hair into a braid, like a bun and then into a braid. So I'm just gonna tuck it in. I don't really care what it looks like in the back because it's curly hair, so the hair can be like, it can look thicker. Got that in. I'm actually gonna clip it to there, like that. Okay, I'm gonna just take this, make sure it's straight, and then I'm just gonna velcro it in the back. And boom, simple as that. It's so easy, and it actually looks like this is all my hair, and I just put a headband on and pushed it back. That's it. That's literally it. But I kind of want to wet it a little bit. It's a bit too puffy for me. Like, this is not my style. I'm just going to be using water. And for the curls, I'm using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl Maintenance Curl Whip. Okay, too many curls, but I'm going to be using this as well. So that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to be brushing it through so that it gets everywhere. And make sure you get the ends especially, because that's where it tends to puff up, and then the rest will be okay. Okay, and I'm all done wetting it. I feel like I like this look better. The hair texture is really similar to my hair, and it just looks like my hair grew out, and this is where we are. And I've already opened the box and everything, but they do give you like a selection of different headbands that you guys can wear, and this is one of them. And because this is black, you can put any headband that you like on. So I'm going to try it out with this one just to show you a different option. And boom, giving you very cozy vibes. It's perfect for winter. I feel all warm and everything with my turtleneck, but this is another option that you guys can wear as well. And that is pretty much it, you guys. This is so easy, so simple. Literally don't need any experience or anything to put this on, and it's very effective. Like, it looks like, you know, you did a lot to your hair, but you really didn't. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I do recommend this wig if you guys want something super easy and that you could wear all the time. If you guys do like this hair, I do have it linked in the description down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!